Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for being here. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 4 of my favorite apple cider vinegar detox drinks. I love this stuff, especially right now. The holidays are here. There is a lot of overindulging going on. So this detox drink is really great to help you stay on track. I use this Bragg's organic raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar. It's really, really good. It is with the mother, so you always want to make sure your apple cider vinegar is with the mother. So I'm going to get these 4 drinks made up. They're all really delicious. And I prep them for the whole week using my favorite juice containers that I get on Amazon. So I will link those in the description box. Let me get these all made up for you. But first, make sure you click subscribe if you're new to my channel. Tons of healthy recipes and detox drinks and all kinds of great things on my channel. So make sure you click subscribe. Let me get these drinks all made up.
So the first one I'm going to be using limes, and this is kind of like a limeade juice, and anything that can mask the flavor of the apple cider vinegar is just perfect in these drinks. So the lime with tons of flavor does a really good job at that. So I'm going to squeeze all of the juice out of these, and then I'll portion it into my containers. So I'm going to use a tablespoon of the fresh squeezed lime juice. It is the best with so much flavor and so good for you too. Limes are really great to add with this apple cider vinegar. And like I mentioned at the beginning, I use these juice container cups. They are reusable. I absolutely love them. I have been using them for a long time. Really, really great quality, and I will link them in the description box. So after the 1 tablespoon of lime juice, I have 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And also, like I mentioned at the beginning, you want to make sure that it's apple cider vinegar with the mother. And then I'm going to add in this liquid Splenda for the sweetener, and this gives it a really awesome flavor. You can use honey as well as a sweetener, and that is delicious too, but I just love how easy the liquid Splenda is. So I'm going to fill all of these up to the top with filtered water, and these are ready to go. For this juice, it's going to be a lemon cranberry. And this one is definitely one of my favorites for sure. Lemon is so good for you, so many health benefits, and adding it to the apple cider vinegar is just a really great healthy thing to have. I like to drink 2 of these drinks per day. I have 1 before breakfast, and then I have 1 mid-afternoon. So I have lots of different flavors to choose from while I'm making all of these up, but this one is definitely really good. So it's lemon juice, fresh squeezed of course, and then I have some cranberry juice that is no sugar added, just cranberry juice. So you always want to make sure when you're making any kind of detox drinks that you're not adding any extra sugar into these. So 1 tablespoon of the lemon juice. And 1 tablespoon of the apple cider vinegar. You could add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar if you like, but since I drink 2 separate juices a day, I usually only do 1 tablespoon. But so now I'm going to add in my just cranberry juice. This one is really good. And it's a little bitter because it is just the cranberry. So if it's not a cranberry juice cocktail, which has tons of added sugar to it. So this one is a little bit bitter, but I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of this to the container. I love the color of this one, kind of like a bright magenta pink color. Filling these to the top with filtered water, and then they will be ready to go. Okay, so this one is going to be with apple juice, and this one is really good. I know I say they're all really good, but I really like this one. The apple juice flavor is great. So I have my apple cider vinegar, and for my apple juice, it is 100% juice. It's organic. So like I mentioned, always try and find the juices that have the least amount of added sugar to them, because so many juices are just full of sugar. I don't even serve them to my kids without diluting them with water. So I have 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in this. I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of apple juice. I'm going to do a dash of cinnamon. Cinnamon is so healthy for you also. Just a really great seasoning to add to all kinds of things because of the health benefits. I'm going to do a dash of the liquid Splenda as well for the sweetener, and then I will fill these to the top with the filtered water. Okay, so this is the last one that I'm going to make today, and it has ginger in it. So ginger has tons of flavor, and like I mentioned earlier, anything that has a lot of flavor to mask the apple cider vinegar is really good in these drinks. And ginger is just really great for you, so adding it to these drinks is such a good combination. So I have my 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and then I have this crushed ginger. I'm going to do a teaspoon of the crushed ginger, a splash of the liquid Splenda, and filtered water. And then this one is, they're all super easy to make, really quick to make, and really awesome to have a whole batch of these lined up in the refrigerator. So like I mentioned, I have 2 of these a day, so I can mix and match whatever flavors I want. I can have either the same one day, or I can have one in the morning and a different one in the afternoon. So it's just really fun to have the different flavors, and you don't get sick of one because you have all kinds of different ones to choose from. So I love making big batches of these. Really fun to make. Especially right now with the holidays, lots of overindulging going on, and so it's really great to have the apple cider vinegar as a really good detox. They do say that it can aid in weight loss if you add it to a healthy diet and an active lifestyle. So it's definitely a weight loss aid and very, very good for you. So many health benefits. So I absolutely love it. I hope that you enjoyed these 4 different recipes. I love them all. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. If you make these, let me know. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. I will see you all in my next video. I hope that you have a really great rest of your week.